everyone, and welcome. It is March and it is time to add to my St. Patrick's Day collection. You guys know last week I just made a sort of DIY Santorini stone. I made it solely for the purpose of doing some more of my Happy Place rocks. I'll leave that video down in the description if you don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I thought for St. Patrick's Day, how cool would it be if I made a My Happy Place rock, but with the whole Irish, Ireland, St. Patrick's Day theme and go totally green. I've got my green fingernail polish on and I am totally ready to do it. So let's do an Irish My Happy Place. The first thing I've got to do is figure out how to say My Happy Place over in Ireland. So I'm going to look it up on Google and I'm going to write the words right here. So this video is going to be a little bit different than the rest of my videos. Usually when you do a mandala, the whole idea is that everything's really symmetrical and you try really hard not to let your dots and swooshes touch each other. But with these type stones, the fun for me, and gosh, I hope you guys try it. It is so freeing after doing our normal mandalas. I'm going to be layering things. It's going to be okay if our dots don't match up. It's going to be okay if the dots touch. It's going to be, oh my gosh, so much fun. There's going to be doodling, and basically what I do is I just look at this stone. I'm going to write My Happy Place in the middle of it. I'm going to paint it so that it's good and visibly seen, and then I am just going to let my hair down and I am going to have some fun. I'm not paying attention to any of the rules. I'm just going to go with it and I'm going to dot. I hope you guys try this. Seriously, it is one of the most relaxing things you can do. And when you mess up something, that's the opportunity to make your art special. You just kind of look at your mistake and say, oh dear, how do I improvise here? That rhymed. That was pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you guys give this a try. It is so much fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. This stone is my Santorini knockoff. I encourage you to try it on Santorini as well. Those stones are so gorgeous. But typically when I paint the front of those stones, you don't get to see all that glittery goodness that they offer. And it makes me feel bad for covering it up. So this was a really good alternative for me. All right, you guys, I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to give this black lettering a little bit of a gold overtone. And then I am going to have some fun. And I hope you join me. Let's do it. Oh, you guys, I never in a million years would have thought to leave a gap in my dots and put a leaf in like this. That is what I was talking about earlier. When you mess up, and I did, I didn't get my dots spaced just perfectly, so I couldn't squeeze in that last one. But now I have this cool leaf, and I mean, it's completely original. And I bet, I hope, at the end of this, you're going to look at it and not know that I messed up. You're going to be like, wow, who thought of that? That's kind of cool. Or something like that. Anyway, I hope your project's turning out pretty cool too. Let's keep going. Well, you guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about this. This was so, in a weird way, kind of hard to do, where it's like I just kept painting over stuff and running dots and swooshes together, and it was like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? But I mean, I think it's really cool. It is very full, it's very green, and I think it's a really interesting rock, especially for this time of year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have time, check out channel memberships. That helps me a bunch. And click all the links I put down in the description. There's going to be supplies and helpful videos and all sorts of stuff. And watch these videos right here. You guys, until next time, rock on.